Before this video begins, we shall all pause and pay homage to Jamie Daly, the honorary Magnusite of the day. Go forth now and live your life in magnificence. What is happening, Magnusites? So, I did not plan on doing any unboxings, but I was in Walmart looking for pee pads for Lucky and a couple other things. Bought me a new t-shirt, it's kind of funny. But anyway, happened to be walking past the toy aisle and I saw this. Now, y'all know that I am a big Batman fan, big superhero fan, and I already got my The Dark Knight Batman mask. I've got a Thor helmet, and I've got the Thor hammer. I've got other things. I got Akuma beads. Anyway, y'all can look that up on my other videos. But I got the armored bat helmet. You damn right. And it even has a voice changer. That's right. Y'all see this? All right, so I'm going to before I unbox it, give y'all a look at the front, the back, top, side, other side, and bottom. Okay, so I actually got this from Walmart for about, I think it was like $24.95, I believe. So let's unbox this and get to seeing what it do. Alright, I am going to use this. Y'all already know me. I'm going to use it in videos sooner or later. It's going to happen. And even if I don't, I'll still be at my house acting a damn fool, walking around with the Batman armored helmet on. Matter of fact, the next girl I bring over here for sexy time, I'm wearing the helmet during the whole act. So if you that girl, you watch my videos, just know. So if you have the Batman fetish, it's going to work. Anyway. Kids, don't pay attention to any of that part. Yeah. Alright. Can you come over for Batflix and chill? You'll be like, what's that? Let's get over here and I'll show you. Yeah. They got a lot of tape around this thing here. A lot of tape. It says this is for ages 15 plus. Oh, 15 plus sounds and phrases. Okay. But it's for ages 4 and up. Try me. Eyes light up. Y'all gonna see that when I put it on my face. I'm gonna do it right now. Man, if this tape, this was made by Batman, made to not be stolen or opened, Lord, get all of this. Okay. It's even something. All right. Okay. 2 notches. Okay. Okay. I'm trying to turn it. That's what I'm. Look at this. You see this on the back? I'm supposed to turn it. I turned the other one. The hell? Alright, well, it just came off. I beasted it off. Alright, and it's got something on the chin piece. Lord. Anti-theft. My goodness. Okay, cool. I just put a little scratch in mine, but that's all right. It goes along the rest of it. See, the rest of it's got scratches. You see the texture on it? It's got scratches in it. I just put one on the bottom there near the chin. See that? That's okay though. Makes it look more battle hardened. You know what I mean? Warning: this toy does not provide protection. I would assume that it didn't. So let's get the thing off here. So I can put this on. Oh, I see. Okay. Right. strap around the back of your skull. Okay. Okay. There we go. Strapping. I can't. God damn it. There we go. Okay. There we go. There we go, baby. Yeah. There we go. Now it's fitting. I got a grown man head. I probably didn't put it on right, but let me see here. God damn it. There we go. There we go. There we go. Yeah. So, now that it's on, we're going to play with this voice thingy. Where is it at? Ah, there it is. Y'all ready? Are y'all ready? All right, let's do this.
Villains, beware. Batman is here. Voicechanger activated.
Tell me, do you bleed? You will. Yeah, I'm doing that again.
You can't defeat me, Superman. Your day is over. Voicechanger activated.
Tell me, do you bleed? You will. 1 million subscribers. Woo! That's right. Batman is here, baby. And I'm here with my armored helmet and my armored voice. You know what I'm saying? Let me see here. What can I say to chicks when they come over?
I am the Knight. I am Batman. Voicechanger activated.
Hey girl, you ready to backflips and chill? Hopefully y'all can understand this. Remember what he said in the trailer?
Gotham City needs me.
He's like,
Time for justice. Voicechanger activated.
well, here we are. I am loving this. Say, Bats, I like your new toy. Do you mind if I try it on for a bit? This actually messed up my Joker impression. The way it's sitting on my nose, I couldn't really do it right. Oh, funny. Well, since all of you have had a chance to check this out now, go and check it out and buy it at your favorite toy store. I will be using this eventually for something retarded in my videos that's gonna make y'all laugh. So if you
You can't
enjoy...
defeat me, Superman. You've met your match. Voicechanger activated.
Show me the booty, girl. Catwoman. Get over here, girl. Anyway, so, like I was saying, Warner Brothers and Toy Company, you're welcome for me doing this. Yeah. I want free tickets to the Hollywood premiere. Alright, for this doing this video. If y'all enjoyed my unboxing, hit the like button, subscribe, and share. If you did not, hit the like button, subscribe, and share. 1 million subscribers. Woo!